I dey regret why I come abroad. See this account number. Drop anything you want to drop there. Drop anything you want to drop there.
Hello, my people. How na dey also na dey fine. This video where I want to so it go long a little bit, but make una just listen. Una remember this our brother where be say he say na charity they do, say they help the less privileged. Una remember now we can carry one of boy when they call it buka. They carry and pass everywhere, say you want go treat and so you want carry and go hospital. Make people come they donate for your account. Una remember when I can't do video, I can't tell them say may use the time till they do better thing. This one not they pay again because people don't already open their eye well. You don't do another video. Make we listen to the video, eh? This video go long, but make una just listen to wetin talk. As I see this video, I just dey laugh. I say, why it be say most of una no dey understand say the time wey something take dey rain. If you not dey that game that time, it don't finish. Because the time where charity, I want to help the less privileged take dey rain that time. It don't pass. Not be nowadays now. Our people don't wise. Most of them don't know say una dey do one because of say una dey benefit. Yes. Listen to this video, my people.
I dey regret why I come abroad. I dey regret. By this time, I'm not supposed to be abroad again. I'm supposed to be Nigeria.
My people is saying carry himself go abroad. No, no man now, not there any abroad though. All these people they'll just get up. If they maybe they for Ghana now or they for Lagos, we be say if finds more, they will say then they abroad. Brother, you there for abroad? You know if you show us say you there for abroad because Jesus. Maybe we find just the listing because me I know they like to they wash people brain. When I don't wash many people brain, not be person like us. So we be say we don't take for abroad. We don't know when somebody want use your brain. When person want try to wash your brain, come put EO. We be say roti, come put am for inside your own. So that in go they talk something, you go they say nah true. I go follow your step. Not be person like us. Now those people we be say they not to understand una. Listen.
They help the less privileged. They help people for Nigeria. My calling all day abroad. No matter what I will do in this country, enough you work. My calling all day this country. I don't tell that several times. I don't spend almost how many years? I don't spend how many years? More than 16 good years now.
You say don't spend many years for abroad. Maybe you go Ghana or you there for Lagos where some of we both they go say na abroad in there. You spend 16 years for abroad. My people, I know they understand all these people, the way when they say they try to they like wash people, where they say they follow them. They not be mumu. If person they follow you and maybe they watch your video, you know me say that person a mumu, they still get their own brain. You don't spend almost 16 years. You say you can't come back to Nigeria. Oh yeah, thank you.
For this abroad. Don't be say I know they work. I they work.
Okay now.
I'm a hard-working person. But I don't see what I use the money to do.
Okay now.
Every time when I sleep, I would hear voice. Go back to your country. Go back to Nigeria. Go back. My son, go back. I'll say, which kind of voice be this one? Which kind of voice? This is not where I sent you to. Go back to Nigeria. Go back. I didn't hear that voice. Till I go Nigeria. Till I go Nigeria. That was last year.
I know so many people wey go Libya na stay abroad then go problem not there. Those one wey go Senegal na stay abroad. Those one wey go Morocco na stay abroad. Those one wey go Senegal na stay abroad. all this thing na abroad. Jesus Christ. So you can't hear voice. The voice can't tell you say no be this one send you. Why be say if una one lie, una can't they use the name of God till they lie. That one the thing they pay me well. When you see the day when I don't know whether really say God they exist. Because if although they give una dirty slap, make una wake up. He go just get up, he go give una dirty slap, say, wetin be, why be say una they talk wetin not tell una. Some of them they call their said they say na God na call them. I don't know where they foresee the God. I don't know where they foresee the Jesus. So the thing can't tell you, so go back to Nigeria. The thing not can't tell you, say strong, may you try, may you work hard, so that you go feed, they give other people that money where be say you they work to they give the less privilege. He not tell you like that. He can't say may you go back to Nigeria, so that if you reach there, you can they put your phone number, so that people can they. Oh yeah.
I spent good 5 months for Nigeria. I was helping. God was using me to help the less privileged in Nigeria.
Why be say God they use una? How God say they use person? If God want use you, you go get work, you go they work, you go they volunteer, they give people. Now that one be the do they help the less privileged? Not be say you go say make people where be say then go work, may they bring their money come. Say you want to help people. Who does that? Who they do that kind of thing? So God can't they use you. I tell they use you. You know they use you. If you really say you want to help people, you get platform. Maybe then they pay you every month. That money where be saying then they pay you. Use until they help. You say if BC Foundation where be say I want help, I know say now your money now you take start until they help people. If I want to support you, that one a different thing. You will never force me to come and donate. No. This one upon they force people. See this account for year now, you go put money. Is that how to help people? When you want to help people, it go come from your mind. Now your mind when you will see the story. Oh, this thing just touched me. I beg give me account, make I put money for this person, make you go give her. Not be the one account they even they give self. Person will really want help. Say you see that person, say the thing really touch you. You go ask for that person account. Give her that money direct. So that if that person pray for you, it go come direct to you because now you give her that money. Not be person where can't tell una say make una come help. You understand? They'll come they claim the glory where be say not be their own. Oh yeah, talk and they go.
Help the less privileged in Nigeria. I was putting smile on the Lord. And
God not said you may you go another country. Can't say may you just come Nigeria and then everything in Nigeria now they do. He not say you may you go Ghana still poor. He not say may you go Senegal. He not say you may you go to another place. He say may you come Nigeria. Okay now.
People's face.
Emotionally blackmail.
I was helping a lot of people. I was like trying my best for me to help a lot of people. Even to the extent that I run out of cash, couldn't beg people.
You see, when you go run out of cash for your own money, you'll still go work again. Work there for that Nigeria. Now people they drive bus every blessed day. Say they work where they say they feed their family. Now people they do like bouquet. Some don't use that build house. Some don't use that do marriage. Some don't use that like bouquet to buy car safe. You understand? Some they use that like bouquet. That's work one and they commonize. Some don't they use that till they help other people. You go say no be say I get on too much. Oh, may you still take this one for your pocket. But you can't run, say your money can't finish according to you. So you can't put your account for them. Make una call more account they help.
1,000, your 500, multi support people that are really in need of help. But nobody.
For your mind, people for abroad for years, they don't need help. Who tell you? You know many people where they for this abroad, where they go Caritas. Caritas now where they go they pack food. When they go, they pack food. Then they be Nigeria. Even Oyibo where be say get the country. Some of them they still they go there. For now, mind people where they abroad, then they enjoy. My brother, you said you there abroad. I bet tell us the country where you there for the abroad because you want brainwash people where they follow you say you there abroad. Which kind of abroad you there? If people like if you there abroad, now not the let person hear one. So now they carry camera up and down. I bet show us the abroad where you say you go. Not when they watch people brain. People don't wise finish. And person like me, I don't know if you see this kind of me, I just they look at. No. You are washing people brain, which is very bad. Mama Ebuka get almost how many million for account. You can't carry a media. Say maybe because they donate. make dem dey put am for your account say you pikin no well. Is that how to help people? This is not how to help people. You go and work, use your money to help others.
Listen to me. Nobody helps. But the few ones that really understand what I was doing, nobody helps. But the few ones listening to me, nobody helps. But the few ones that really understand what I was doing, they are the ones that was supporting. May God bless you all.
They blackmail us. They
But my
worship.
calling is not in this country.
Can you imagine?
I just want to go back to Nigeria.
Oh God, go back to Nigeria. Now Nigeria, you even there. Which one you can't they tell people where they follow? Mona no mind this boy. Oh, Mona no mind now. Mona no mind now. All these people, they sabi their work. All these scam people where they want scam on a brain. Mona no mind. I not there for any abroad though. He not there for any abroad. Those of una where they follow one. He not there any abroad though. If na abroad he dey for don't show una say see where he dey. The time where he be say he dey for Benin City, una see say they show everywhere. Mona see this one, mona see road, mona see this one they work out. I be mona tell am say may he do video, may he show where he dey for the abroad. He say he call it not there here. Make una for beg am, make he for come back. Maybe he go Lagos, or maybe he go Abuja, or he go Port Harcourt. He go hide for one room for there. Come they tell una say he dey for abroad. He say he call it not be this one. If your calling, go do your calling. Go and do it by yourself. Don't wait for other people to come and do your calling for you. If you know say they really call una, not know where they for the see una, where they for the call una. If you know say they call una, they call you. Go and do your own calling by yourself. Ah, men are suffering, yo. People get family, yo. They get family.
Just want to go back to Nigeria. Nothing there here.
Nothing there, yeah.
Nothing there abroad.
If this kind of person see opportunity to enter abroad, well, he said nothing there abroad. People where they so their head not correct. Nothing there abroad. You never even go. Try may you go, may you see whether something there or something not there. No matter waiting abroad, still better pass that our country. If now only that's a medical issue, maybe say you get problem, they'll go treat you. If not only that one self, or the light where you take they sleep alone, where mosquito not go chop you. If not only that one, person not go talk say one carry body go Niger. This one saying they abroad. He say make una beg and people wait. Mona come beg and make come. He there for na Lagos na he dey. He not there anywhere. Or he there for one place for GRA for there. You can't tell una saying they abroad. Una don't see the video where be say do say they. Mona say where I dey France or I dey Italy or I dey this one or I dey this one. I say nothing there for abroad. But not God not they use man say they spoil wait till you be say you like. Una go like and una use man say rotian. Mona not they use man say they rotian. You not there anywhere. You just like. You want to wash people brain so that you know say some of our people will use their head say knock war now so they be most of them they for social media when they talk say oh bros may you come back now come they do your thing. Anybody where God call when you know say God call you go wait till God say may you can't do because now lie now they put for God's head now they put for Jesus Christ head no don't lie for everywhere now so God call I don't know where now for the see and wait for the call una where una day where una day where they call una you say now your dream. You say na the dream where you like. I just like this thing. They'll change and they'll say na God. Nice and me they can't do one.
If maybe say this document say I beg, we can just give one person carry. Nothing. I've seen the bad side of it. I've seen the good side of it. I'm telling you right now that nothing there obodo yibo. Nothing. Please.
I mean, which part you there for the obodo ibo? May we for no. You say you get documents of the obodo ibo. If like say you see somebody, if you just put on for platform and say you want person where go take am, you go see person where go take am because you no get. I beg Oga, may you keep quiet. I beg you. They give me everything.
Fix Nigeria.
Say me they fix Nigeria.
Nigeria for us.
Don't be that this kind of video. I say, may you go sit down, may you go they do. May you they call all the what it called, the president and the government, may you come they call them, say, Mona come fix our country for us. Don't be this one, I say, may you go they do. Where you can't say you can't hide from one room now, you they tell us, say, you there for Obodo Ibo. You don't enter Obodo Ibo, you go come back. This one enter Obodo Ibo, go come back.
have this gift with me. All those smart people, if you see how they follow, they do, how they help today. When I talk to them, they always hear me.
Go they talk to them, huh?
If God don't bless me with big money, now what God see me can go do be that one. And what God see me can do be that. If God,
you see, most of you now say God go hear my prayer. If you not ask, God not go give you. If you not work hard, God not go, that money not go come. May you go sit down for yourself and say, God go do one, God go do one, and lie. Go and work. People, they work to see their money. If you want to make big money, you way me not wait. Now you can't know. So being a big money, they find. And then, if you don't see the big money, you go there. What you say God send you, you go there do one. According to you, say that God send you. Blackmail. You are washing people's brain. You want to wash their brain. Wash and. So that maybe they'll come, they send you money. Hey, young winner, don't go work. See that for his house. Abroad for you, they hot. People, everybody, every blessed day, people take the cry. This say now only on the way to Nigeria. Yeah, now it can worse pass. Money don't high, everything don't high. Money where you carry, go market, go buy something today. Tomorrow, before you go there, the thing where you buy for €5. If you reach there, they'll contact you say na €8, and you must buy them because you go eat. This say now only on our side.
I did build like big ass house for them. All those people we say they are not stable.
Now your dream.
People that
you follow your dream.
Stable, all those people.
That one might be your dream. You follow your dream. You work hard to make it. Not wait, make people can't do your dream for you. It is your own dream. Now wait till you like. So you do it by yourself.
You are the one that God said I should come and be helping in Nigeria.
The concept you call Nigeria.
The gift already there, my heart. The gift already there.
Yeah.
Ebuka hash now. Ebuka now. Fear not let you go too close to Ebuka now. But I calm her down. Even when I deal with Ebuka for psychiatry, I calm her down. I make him to understand things about life. I talk sense into him. I made him to understand things. I did enjoy. A lot of people were looking down on me, but when I don't come with a lot of them reach out to me, they thank me. No, you don't have to thank me. The only time that you would thank, the only thing that you will do for me is that when you see this account number, drop anything you want to drop there. Drop anything you want to drop there.
Ole bruku. He say man not thank him. He put your account number. He say man they drop money for there. Abroad not good though. But now people where they abroad now they tell say maybe they work, maybe they drop money for the account where be say you put for there. You be tiffy jankoriko. Go and work. I don't fair tell you. This social media not go contain me and you for this social media because I know they like people where be say they go say I'm happy the less privilege. You not use your money to starter. You not use the money to they do and make people come they talk say don't take away they do and now money where they work now they do. You want me people you want come they like stealing by trick cause they pay people money. What you say make them use your account they do? Make them they put money for them. You have work. Hey, now so na be. Now so na be. Now want to the chop people money like say tomorrow not day. Now before now people they do one. Not be nowadays. You know quick on. Now before now people they do one. Not be nowadays. Now the people where be say use their head say knock war. Now go they put money for your account. Sure na see the way they do one. More than just the listing. I tell na say this video go long a little bit because I want me to analyze them.
Who that is crying for help. If I show them my WhatsApp.
Because now you be gone.
They cry.
They don't know where they're supposed to go.
People that don't even have anything. I feel.
Mona ask me what. No, see.
I feel for them.
Hey, Jean.
Like, seriously.
You manipulator.
When I open my WhatsApp, I see the way people are crying in the country.
Hey, Jean.
I feel sad though.
Bros, now today you know say na so Nigeria be. Maybe not today you know. Maybe you just quick, you just not today they born you. So you don't know before. You felt there inside belly. So you don't know say na so Nigeria be. So not today now you can't know say you not see the video. It they like emotionally blackmail people. You understand? To wash their brain. To make sure say those people go they feel oh bros may you come. Not worry we go come to donate. Those people will not see money to pay house rent. They will carry the money. They will come put on for your account so that you know come they cry again. Oga go work. Go and work. You understand? Go work, make you take they do all those things. Not be people money. People money now you they expect. Come they like do. Bros who beat you where they cry. You they try to wash people brain. You know they buy again. Social media people they don't wise. If you not get money, you not see anything one want use that to do. Wanna go put on for bagolo, no bagolo container, drop on inside. Okay? If you see person where be say he cry, can't say need help. Ask for that person number. That person go. You see all these people where they say, see my phone number, see my account for here, put on. No put. Tell them make them go work. Oh yeah. So,
my calling is not in this country.
Hey, yeah.
If I have the funds, if I have the money,
Hey,
I will go back to Nigeria.
Yeah.
Put smile on people.
You want put smile on people. You want put smile on people's face. You want to tell me now, say for your whole family, everybody is okay there. They don't need the money. And you want to go they give other people. More na suffer you. This money na small. People where they abroad, then they work. Some no they sleep house. Some people they will be say they work 5 times, 5, 6 times, even 7 times a week. Then the person they work. You know even they reach. You see like London now. If you reach London or America, you see say no say people where they America they not they throw away their money anyhow. Lie because they know say the big where they wait for they big. You see now people where they Europe country. Now those people now they go there like because they get like giver. You understand? What did they make some of them even they give? And because of say government still they give them. You understand? Some people they get 4, 5 children. So you go say, okay, blind say tick for this one. People where they America, they will never give you. Even though say me you they not give you. You go say I work for my money. You see all those people where they America, insurance they pay in case of maybe they not well. You understand? It not be like a Euro country where it be say if you go hospital they will treat you because why? You don't work. Not be free. Not because many people they tell say health care is free for Europe. Not be free. It's not free. You see that money where they work now inside the net for the collector. They don't collect already. You don't work, you don't know, but they don't take care. It's there for inside there. So at any time where you go hospital, they go treat you because your money where you take work, they don't pick up. It's there with them. You understand? So that kind of thing is not there for America. Now those people now their money now they take they treat themselves. Go ask people where they for them. This one can't they use. You can't they blackmail people, make them bring money come.
Look at Ebuka today. Ebuka is doing great and fine.
No, yeah.
Ebuka is doing great and fine.
The Ebuka where they talk about so. I know say na Miss Fair expose and say mama Ebuka get millions for account. The woman not bring and come out. He should come for inside bank. He keep am for there. This one can't tell and say. Come, not worry. The people where they for social media, where they abroad, you know, say they not know what they want use money do. Then go come me with they support Ebuka. My brother, go find something do. You see this one, you not go enter. This one where you just they do so, you not go enter. Even though say may you cry from here, go rich next tomorrow. Now only maybe some of them feel send you 1,000, 5,000. Now only that one they will feel do rich. The time when I don't they wash our people brain don't pass. Or in the name of say I want to help the less privileged. Who you they help? You don't help yourself finish. Person whenever it's finished, they'll say then they help person. You don't chop finish when they give another person. Maybe you don't eat, you don't believe food. You can't they give. He can't do this video. The one way can't pay me for. He can't they do cry emotionally to like people. You can't put your account for them. You can't drop money for them. Oh boo, where you get? They cut your leg and your hand. You know if you use that to work. The money where they see for social media, you know if you use that they give people. You see some people, some people they do all these things. They know they ask for anybody money. They know say that they see money there for their social media handle. You understand? The money where they give them. Now that one they say they go they do a gift. Maybe some people for comment section can say, give me account, make I put. Finish. They know they come here, go they carry people, come and see this one, come and see the other one. The way you take the do one. Go find another thing make they do. He say, make una see Ebuka. What do you do for Ebuka? What do you do? You carry and go hospital. You still there for the hospital. When you use and make money a little bit, then you leave her for them. You can't run, say, maybe you say you dey abroad. Which abroad you dey? I bet show us the abroad where you dey. You don't want to tell people, say you dey abroad. It's not your calling. If you see chance, say enter abroad. Wait till una like, una they use mountain to spoil. Abroad is not my calling. Nigeria is your calling. You want to come and do head to the left privilege. I bet go meet ni auntie Modokpewo. Tell them say you want to head the left privilege. Make they put you for that side. Make you leave people alone for you. You see many people for abroad for you. All of them don't they crazy because they get good hearts. Una don't chop their money finish. They tell you say they not get family where be say you still need the money. Oga enters. Go find something they do. You want to blackmail people when they follow you, emotionally blackmail, when they cry for them. You not see, I don't they here now, don't they call me. What did they want to call you for? And Reggie, we don't see all these things before. My people, make I leave una. Please send me to love and like this video. Wanna not let anybody they use una. Una see what way they for everywhere now. We never know as it want to end though. Nobody know as it want to end. Mona they keep una money, mona not they throw away for anyhow person. You work your money, person where you want give. Now you go decide that person. Say this person I want to give her that money. Mona not like all this one where be say they not get work. Where they jobless, can they fool una. Say bring money come here we take help that person. You carry your account. Say me na put money for there. Mona if na no say na mona put money for there. What if they want drop for them? Now so you they give them money. What you want use the money to do? Go and work. Go and look for something doing. If you want to do, say maybe you want to do charity, the less privilege, the thing they sweet you, they enjoy you. You get up with the money 6 o'clock. Some people they 4 o'clock they don't wake up. Then you can't enter house 8 o'clock. Work. When they pay you that salary, you go cut into 2. One part you take until they do your waiting call. May we know say yes, you really the one. Say now God call you. The God where they call on, they not the same. And people where God call with, they know that they don't chop belly full. So they give others. You understand? With their own money, they know they ask. With their own money, that they tell they do. Maybe some people if you can call, say, I beg, give me your account. I don't like this thing where you just do so. Make you help me give that person. Nyama people. I beg, make I live on. Please help me to love and like and share this video. No, not let anybody wash on a braid. If you there for abroad, we don't know as everything will take end. Now see the deportation where they don't sign up for everybody. People will not get paper. They want go they throw away them for their own country. If you know that listening to the video, go see it. It's there for my page for there. You go see it. Not be me talking. Now from the European name they sign up. They don't sign up. And from June, it go be boss bass. It go the hot. The video call you say me you can't take your sojourn on a lie. Go see yourself for it because they don't sign up. The all Euro country, they want start to the deport. Not be only Germany. Say maybe Germany, they carry people. They'll just, no, this one are the all European country. Now you want start. And from June. Normal work big June, I be. Mona not let people like this come they escort, come they collect on their money. Mona they keep out, nobody knows tomorrow. Because now they get their country, they feel just wake up now, they say make everybody come out. Even though say you get their money, they go come out, they go say make give them their something. Carry your wahala, they go. We never know. Who talk say this war where be say na Russia with Ukraine na start. Who talk say who think and say go come be like this? It don't the thing don't they high. To buy fuel now, you cannot go there. I beg you, bye my people.